it's Ayana, and today I'm going to show you how to make a typing effect on the KineMaster very easily. I'm pretty sure the reason why you are clicking on this video is because of the thumbnail. It says it's realistic, simple, and easy, and yes, it is. But this time you will need an ASMR keyboard for this. So for people who do not have an ASMR keyboard or an ASMR keyboard or some kind of keyboard that's very loud or loud and makes sounds as well, then sadly you cannot follow this tutorial. Let's get started. First, you get your ASMR keyboard and you type what you want to type. So here I'm just going to type I wrote hello, and now you're gonna have to go to KineMaster now. Now that you are in KineMaster, let's create a new project. So what you want to do is you need to get your video asset, so you can get your background, and you can just make it longer. Now, first of all, what I want you to do is that I want you to get your picture keyboard and you type what you want to type. So here I'm just going to type You can cut the video on the part where you start typing. Now, the thing is that you need to resize it. And now, you split the other part of the video. No matter what background you're using, just ignore that. So that is hello. And that's a custom typing sound. So you're actually going to need to make it with it. If you're faster typing instead of mine, if your typing is more faster than mine, since I'm holding a camera, then you actually will be able to use the original one. Now, you need to export this video in 4K and very high quality, 64 FPS. And I know it's quick because this video is actually a very bad quality video. And now you can preview it. Now you can start to make a new project. Just make a new project like me. Okay, so for example, you're gonna have to type a sign in the white part. Okay, you need to go to media and after that put that video. That is 4 seconds or that video. So now you need to put the opacity to 0 so it's invisible. There. Let's just make it like this. Make sure that it's long. You can make it just 1 second, and I think that's okay. This is it. You need to make them fit to the end of the video. it's pretty hard to actually just put it like that. Let's write hello. Make sure that it goes onto like the right spacing. You don't want to move them too closely. Now let's write an O. You can change the font if you want, but it would take lots of time, so you can just start testing it first, even if it might be a waste of time. And there's a typing that's realistic and right timing. But if it's a long sentence, I recommend just to use the transition here in animation, and you will see letter by letter. You can try that, and you can actually lower the speed. You actually can lower the speed of it, so yeah. Because if you use KineMaster sound effect, it might sound inaccurate as they always type lots of keys. So now you can save your video. I hope you enjoyed.